too. That's the thing. The account, we've only been managing this one for around 28, 29 days. Yeah, it's only been going up. I mean, it was to be expected with what our plan is. So as you can see, we did like 8.8k in revenue and 1871 in profit. This is around the average profit per item sold, right? Which is around $8 per item sold profit, which is quite good, I'd say. Pretty healthy.
Right. I want to see the margin.
It's a bit high, it's probably a bit higher, but
Yeah.
it's 21%. Yeah.
Right. So like 21.2%. Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so Joran made $1,871.49 profit, and it's not even a month yet. We're like 2 or 3 days off the first month, us managing this and more him managing this eBay dropshipping store. And we want to talk about it. You guys could learn how long it takes, what it takes to get that amount. And if you're interested in getting these results for your own account, you could also reach out to us. I'll put a link in the description. But Joran, what's up? How's it going?
Hey, what's up, Mark? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I mean, as you can see, the results are going really well for on one of our first managed accounts. And yeah, I mean, I think it can only go up from here too. That's the thing. The account, we've only been managing this one for 29 days, around 28, 29 days.
Right.
And yeah, it's only been going up. I mean, it was to be expected with what our plan is, but for it to go this fast and this well, it also comes to a little bit as a surprise to me, but I know our system works well, and this is just proof of it, right? So as you can see, we did like 8.8k in revenue and 1871 in profit.
I want to
Yep.
calculate something. If there are 238 sales, what is the average? You could open my calculator and just check the average sale, like the average value of the item.
Yeah, so 8831 divided by 238. It's 37 on
Right, so
average
like
per
40
item.
bucks. Okay.
Yeah, it's $40 on average, and I guess 1871 divided by 238. It's like this is around the average profit per item sold, right? Which is around $8 per item sold profit, which is quite good, I'd say. Pretty healthy.
Right. And then divide 1871 by 8831. I want to see the margin. That looks like around 20%.
It's a bit it's probably a bit higher, but
Yeah.
it's 21%. Yeah.
Right. So like 21.2%. Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah.
Let's look at the traffic.
So here we see the traffic, right? And we started managing this account on, well, the 1st of November, I think is basically where we started listing first. And you can see that, well, the trend line is fairly healthy. Like doesn't go up constantly, like, but you can see that it looks like kind of like it has a wave formation, right? Like it waves a bit, it goes to a certain peak and then it goes a little bit down again and then it'll go higher again. That seems to be happening like kind of all the time, right? Because here we fall a bit below the average of the past days, and then afterwards it goes up again. Tends to be a bit higher volume on the weekends too, so which probably explains why this happens. But yeah, like the impressions is only growing. Listing views is high. Like it's just high in general, right? And quantity sold. I mean, it differs a lot more, right?
Yeah, that is a big
Yeah.
spread. So some days you have expensive items selling, and some days you have cheap items selling. If you have like a pretty balanced sales, right? Wow.
Right, yeah, and some of these days too, it's like kind of wild because some of the items that I'm selling here, some of them are like $40 profit or something sometimes, which is wild,
Right,
like nearly
right, right.
40 for one sale. But yeah, I mean overall it's pretty stable. We do around last week we probably do around average 120 to $130 in profit each day,
Nice.
which if you can have that in over a month, which we're expecting like December to be exactly that.
Right. So you're looking at like $3,000 to $4,000 profit on this account alone.
Yeah, pretty much. That's the goal on this account. So that's how it's been going so far.
And then how many listings you have on this account?
It's around here's the overview. We have
Okay, okay,
2116 right
okay.
now.
Nice.
So yeah, it's obviously growing. We're still listing every day and slowly but surely. So and with that, I think also revenue and profit will increase still. And we're just trying to get high order value. We'd rather have little orders with high profit than have a lot of volume with low profit, because that way you will deal more with returns, you will deal more with item not received cases, which you just want to minimize. So
Right. Okay. 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 All right. Sweet. I mean, the results are great. The first month, $1,800 profit is is great, right? So what I'm looking at this I look at this just like my 90-day challenge. I'm hoping that this account gets to $25,000 in sales by the end of the third month and $5,000 profit by the end of the third month.
I hope so too. I hope so too. I hope it will be a healthy, steady increase, and that's all we can hope for, right?
Right, right. But it seems to be going good. And then what percentage of tracking numbers uploaded? Because that's an important metric.
We have, I mean, it's from the last November, it was 80%, but
Okay.
it is every tracking is getting uploaded. So like that will be 100 eventually, like
Right.
next
Okay.
month.
Okay. Okay.
Next month it should be like near 100 or at least 99, something like that, right?
Right.
Everything
Exactly.
does get
Yeah. To
validated.
keep it completely safe.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
All right, guys, so we just took the time to give you guys a 1 month update. If you've been following the channel, you would have seen a couple of videos we've made before. If you want us to manage your account, I'll put a link in the description. You can reach out to us. You could ask any questions. The owner of this account, so we are managing this account for the owner. So the owner of this account would have done absolutely no work and made over $900 in the past 30 days passively, and we're going to go up and receive that income monthly. So if you guys want to be one of those clients, again, I'll put a link in the description specifically to a group where you could talk to us, figure out if it's a good fit, if you have the money to fulfill the orders and run the account and get started and so on. We could get started. If you can't, these are the type of results you could get on your own if you put in the time consistently on a daily basis. Most of you guys who have full-time jobs and this is a side hustle, you generally don't have time to put in the type of time that our team is putting in to get $2,000 profit in the first month. But anyway, guys, hopefully you guys learn from this experience. Like, subscribe. Joran, you want to tell these guys anything before we go?
Yeah, one thing that's important to note, managed accounts that we do is currently only for people from the United States that can have an LLC or have an LLC and are based in the United States. So for anyone that's out there, we appreciate your interest, and we maybe in the future we will open this up for everyone. But as for right now, it's only for people based in the USA, unfortunately.
Right. Okay, sweet. Yeah, thanks for your time, Joran. So, guys, like the video, subscribe. You've seen both you. If you're new to the channel, this is eBay dropshipping. I mean, you would have seen the title and so on. If you're new to eBay dropshipping, let us know how we can help you. Have a good one, guys. Later.